Hey everyone, this is Martin this side. Today I am super excited to show you Magentiq UI, an open source agentic UI from Microsoft for real-time AI collaboration. It lets you work with smart agents to browse websites, run code, analyze files, all while staying in full control. I'm also going to show you how you can use SambaNova hosted open source model in Magentiq UI via OpenRouter. So it's built on AutoGen. It includes agents like web surfer, coder, and file server with you as the guide. And it's very simple to get started. You just have to run these two commands in terminal command, then you are good to go. Then you can access the Magentiq UI at localhost. Perfect, I already have run these two commands. So now let's jump into a live demo. I will show you how to connect to SambaNova hosted models in Magentiq UI via OpenRouter. Click on settings, go to model configuration and select LLM client OpenRouter. So all you have to do is just change the model name and put your OpenRouter API key, and I will exactly show you how you can get that. To do that, go to models, go to providers, click on more, click on SambaNova, and I'm going to select MetaLlama 4. Just put model name here. Now we need OpenRouter API key, and we are almost done. And that's it. Click on new session. Now I'm going to ask, go to this website and find data analysis job in Denmark. It's making steps, so it will take like task step by step, and you also have to accept the plan. And the best part, you can also add some more steps. That is really good.